Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to show, or I'm going to indicate on how best way you can be able to format data whenever you are given such kind of data in Excel. You are given and you are told kindly format this data so that the blank cells are filled with the relevant information. Okay, I have quite a number of people or students who have this challenge whereby they feel that dragging the data in a cell and populating the empty cells is the easy way to format the data. But I want to show you very quickly on how you can be able to go about that in few seconds. Okay, imagine you are dealing just with a small data. What if you are given a bigger data, not a smaller, a kind of a smaller data you are dealing with? Okay, so the best way is to click on Control plus A, highlight the whole data, then click on Control plus G. Then the go to window will pop up. Then go to click on um, special button, then click on blank. Okay, so all these comments, this indicates the information that are within the cells. Okay, so we want to deal specifically with the empty cells. Okay, so you click OK. Once you click OK, you see the empty cells are highlighted within the rows and the columns. Okay, once that is done, you click on equal sign, then you click on the data in that cell. Then before you do and click on enter key, you click on control plus the enter key. Okay, so that the whole empty cells are populated with the relevant information. Okay, as per the columns. Okay, so control plus enter key. Right, so you see our cells are populated. Okay, so that's the quickest way of how to format data whenever other cells or a data that is missing some information. Okay, so that's how you can be able to go about it. If you love the video, give us a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. If you have subscribed to my channel, kindly share out the video. The knowledge is good. Share. The knowledge is free. Share, and continue to support me in this journey together. Bye.